Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert equation shapes on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. From here open any blank document. After that click on Insert tab, and on the illustrations option you can find shapes option. Then just click on this arrow icon and then scroll down a bit, and here you can see equation shapes, and from here you can insert or add any kind of equation shape as you want. Suppose if you want to insert this multiplication sign, you have to just select it from here. After that you have to press and hold your mouse left key, and then you can create a shape, and that's it. And using this simple method you can easily create a shape, and that's it. Now if I click here again and then go to same settings, now if you want to create this division sign, just click here, and using same method you can create a shape again, and that's it. And that way you can easily create equation shape on Excel. And that is how you can create equation shape on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.